Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Anton Superintendent of Police jung East Castles uba Vivek Sim ula penna kot Shillong. Kat ba kilai ngot ki weipat ki basya akan no ki bakan thum ya deki bad Akash lapha no shaka judicial custody. Ki pulit kilo ong bakin shimbiang ya ka police custody lada don saki jung tip thamai ka jung tokin. Kajing tokit kalaya chakman ngilayo prasngi ka custody shwa bad mentangi panbiang arsngi ban petnya ban pelong ya ka analysis ngim kwa ban e no e kinu kijing.
The three other accused, Anand, Vicky and Akash, to judicial custody, and as and when our team arrives or we get more developments from there, we will be taking custody for them later. But as of now, we are taking two days police custody for Sonam and Raj, and we've got that back. But they are doing a lot of work out there at the moment.
Are the police calling Govind Raghuvangshi and Vipin Raghuvangshi also to Shillong?
See, they already done the questioning of Govind Raghuvangshi out there, Govind's mother, and today they have ascertained who the driver was who took Sonam to UP.
And sir, we have seen that Sanjay Verma, one fictitious name has come forward. Any other fictitious name as well, sir?
No, this name, I don't know how it emanated, but Sanjay Verma is just a fictitious name which is actually registered in Truecaller. The number pertains to Raj himself, Raj Kushwaha himself.
So Raj Kushwaha, total how many phone calls in 4 days, sir? 119 or 234?
See, regarding those statistics, I will not be able to tell you. I don't know where you've got these statistics. Those are actually evidentiary. That's evidentiary material. But the tally of calls between Raj and Sonam is huge.
And sir, what about the Sonam's second phone? Could police recover the Sonam's second phone, sir?
See, the second team is still looking for that second phone out there, because we believe that second phone is probably with the jewelry and other items which Sonam has left behind. And we were hoping that when the team goes there, and the place was locked, so the items of Sonam would be there. But it appears that it has been shifted from there by somebody, and the team is out there to ascertain who has taken it and where all these items are.
And sir, what about this? We have seen that one Mr. Devi Singh has posted two crucial videos in social media about Sonam and Raj and other three accused in Nongriya. So whether police has already done questioning him?
See, we've reached out to him and we've written to Instagram to give us details about. We've already reached out to him, but he has not answered back to us. But we've already taken up with Instagram to give us the details so that his statement can be recorded also.
And what about the co-passenger from Varanasi who was with Sonam?
See, the passenger who has said that she met on the 7th, it does not add up, because Sonam was still in Indore on the 7th. So who she saw out there, I don't know. So that becomes irrelevant, because whether she really saw Sonam or not is cannot be taken as a fact, because Sonam on the 8th was still in Indore.
Okay, sir.